How's it going? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about yet another Honda and Acura recall. This one actually affects both sides of the company, and we made it nearly a full month without a recall into 2025, but here we are. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the information that we have here today. So I don't have the total amount of cars affected, but we do have the information of those vehicles. Now, if I do mention one of your vehicles, just call your local Honda or Acura dealer, ask them to run your VIN number, and they should be able to tell you if your vehicle is affected. So that being said, again, here is the information that we have today. So 23 to 25 Honda Pilot all trims, and 21 to 25 Acura TLX Type S, 22 to 25 MDX Type S. So what essentially is happening is due to improper programming of the fuel injection control unit, so the PGMFI ECU settings, sudden changes in the throttle opening could cause a DTC of P061B to come on and the engine to lose power, hesitate, and or stall. So obviously, if any of these scenarios happen, there could be concerns with a safety. So this is a stop, sell, and safety recall at this point. If any of these cars are affected, they're not allowed to be sold until these are done. If you have one in your possession, try to get to your local Acura and Honda dealer as quick as possible. And I did a quick pull of that code, and it just basically tells the vehicle that there is a PCM internal malfunction. So just something in there with the software, there's a small glitch. So what we have to do on our end, both on Honda and Acura, is just update the PCM. So shouldn't be too much of a crazy procedure. Everybody is basically ready to go as long as their HDS is up to date. It'll have that latest and greatest recall and software available for that PCM at this time. So again, that's basically all the information we have here. Doesn't seem to be a major recall. All we need is a software update. Although if this were to happen to you out on the road, obviously something to be concerned with. So nobody wants to have their vehicle stall. That is not something people are comfortable with hearing. So again, doesn't seem to be any part of replacement involved at this time, just a simple software update, and we'll get everybody back on the road. I do have one of these vehicles myself, so I'll go ahead and see if this applies to my vehicle. It does say all TLX Type S, but we'll just make sure, we'll run the VIN, make sure it is affected at this point. So with that being said, hopefully this video is helpful to somebody out there, and I'll catch everyone on the next one.